Part 1. How to prepare a 1040 non-resident tax return for your U.S. rental properties. Hi, my name is Allan Madan from Madan Chartered Accountant. Are you a Canadian investor in U.S. real estate? If yes, then this video is meant for you. I will show you how to prepare a 1040 NR tax return for your U.S. rental property. This video is part 1 of a two-part series. In part 1, I will cover Form 1040 NR, and in part 2, I will review Schedule E and Form 4562. Let's look at the example of Mr. Justin Trudeau, a Canadian resident who lives in Ottawa, Ontario. He is married to a Canadian with one dependent child who is 17 years old. He is the sole owner of a rental property in Orlando, Florida. Step 1. Complete the identification area of Form 1040 NR. Enter your first name, last name, and identifying number. An identifying number is an individual tax identification number issued by the IRS. If you do not have one, attach Form W7 to the 1040 NR return. Address information. Check the corresponding box if it is an individual, estate, or trust. Step 2. Complete your filing status. If you are married and live in Canada or Mexico, check box 3. Otherwise, check box 1 for single resident of Canada or Mexico. If married, enter your spouse's first name and last name and individual tax identification number. If your spouse does not have an ITIN, attach Form W7 to your 1040 NR return. Step 3. Claim exemptions. Enter the total number of exemptions you are claiming. You can claim an exemption for yourself, your spouse, and your dependents in the amount of $4,050 each. Each person that you are claiming an exemption for must have an ITIN. Otherwise, you cannot claim them. Enter your dependents' information. Step 4. Report rental profit. Report the net rental profit after depreciation from your U.S. rental property on line number 18. Assume that Justin Trudeau earned a net profit of $28,200. This amount comes from Schedule E, which I will show you how to prepare in part 2 of this video series. Step 5. Calculate the tax and credits. Since Justin is claiming exemptions for 3 individuals, including himself, his total exemption amount is $12,150, which is entered on line 40. Calculate the taxable income, which is equal to the net rental profit of $28,200 less the exemptions claimed for $12,150. This comes to $16,050 of taxable income, which is entered on line 41. Calculate the amount of tax payable on line 42. This should be generated automatically by your tax preparation software. Step 6. Enter payments made. If you made tax installment payments to the IRS during the year, enter the amount paid on line 63. Let's assume Justin paid $1,000. Step 7. Determine amount payable or refundable. Justin owes tax of $948, which is reported on line number 75. The tax owing is equal to the difference between the tax payable on line 42 and the installments paid in the tax year on line 63. Step 8. Complete page 5, Other Information. Complete page 5 of the form. Please continue to watch while I fill out this information for Justin Troupeau. For more tax tips, please click on the subscribe button and visit our website. Feel free to follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Google+. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you soon, and thanks for watching.